Assalamu alaikum. Hola mis amigos, queridos, bonitos y lindos. Bienvenidos otra vez en mi channel con un video nuevo e interesante. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with a new interesting video in which we are going to learn pronouns. Yes, हम आज प्रोनाउंस सीखने जा रहे हैं। जैसा कि आपको पता है हमारी अल्फ़ाबेट्स की सीरीज मुकम्मल हो चुकी है। अब हम आगे अपने एडवांस लेवल की तरफ जा रहे हैं जिसमें हम सीखेंगे प्रोनाउंस। तो प्रोनाउंस की अगर हम बात करें तो देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस लाइक पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and demonstrative pronouns. So in this video today we are going to discuss personal pronouns. Actually we will learn all these pronouns step by step, but today in this video we are going to learn these personal pronouns. So are you ready? If you are new to my channel, hit the like and subscribe button to keep you updated for the upcoming videos. So let's get started. So starting with the personal pronouns, let's see first person singular. First person singular. And in English, first person singular is I. I. And in Spanish, we say yo. Yo. And in Hindi we say me. 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 And in the same way we say me in Urdu, which is written as me, right? And the next pronoun is you. You. You is a second person singular. Second person singular. By using you in a singular informal way, in Spanish we say tú. Tú. You, tú. And in Hindi we say either tu or tum, which is written as tu or tum, like this. Tum. In the same way we say tu or tum in Urdu. Tu or tum. By using you, the next we are using you in a singular formal way. You in a singular formal way. In Spanish we say usted. Usted. And in Hindi we say aap. Aap, which is written as aap, right? And in Urdu we say aap in the same way, which is written as aap. You, tu, and you also usted. This is informal, singular informal, and this is singular formal. And the next pronoun is he. He, which is third person singular. Third person singular. In Spanish, we say el, el, el. And in Hindi, we say wo, which is written as like this. Either you can write this like this, or also you can write like this, wo. And in Urdu, we say wo, which is written as like this, wo. So these are first person, first person singular, second person singular, and third person singular. And the next pronoun is she, which is also third person singular, she. And in Spanish, we say ella, which is written as ELLA. In fact, let me tell you, in Spanish, whenever double L comes, it is pronounced as ja, ja, eja, not ella. We say eja, right? And in Hindi, we say wo, the same wo. Or like this, wo. And in Urdu, we use the same wo for female she and for male he. We use in Hindi and Urdu the same words wo. So the next pronoun is we. We, which is a first person plural. First person plural. And in Spanish, we say nosotros or nosotras. Nosotros or nosotras. Actually, nosotros is used for masculine gender or for also for general mixed population. Nosotros. And nosotras is specifically used for feminine gender. And in Hindi, we say hum. Either you can say hum or hum sab. Hum. Hum, right? This is hum. And in Urdu, we say hum or hum sab. Like in Hindi, we say hum or hum sab. In the same way, in Urdu, we say hum or hum sab. Hum. And the next pronoun is you. Here, you, which is a second person plural. Second person plural. And by using this you as in informal way, we say vosotros or vosotras in Spanish. Vosotros or vosotras in Spanish. Vosotros is used for male gender or for general mixed population, and vosotras is specifically used for feminine female gender. And in Hindi, we say tum sab, tum sab. Tum, actually we say tum, or you can either say tum sab, sab. sab. And in the same way, in Urdu, we say tum, or you can also say sab, tum sab, which means all. Tum sab, you all. Tum sab, you all, right? And the next letter is also u, which is going to be used here in a plural formal way. Plural formal way, this has been used as a plural informal way, and this gonna be used as a plural formal way. And in Spanish we say ustedes, ustedes. Ustedes. And in Hindi we say aap sab, which is written as aap sab. And in the same way we say aap sab in Urdu. Aap sab, right? And the next pronoun is they. They. And they is a third person plural. Third person plural. In fact, in English, they is used for all kinds of gender. And in Spanish, we say ellos, ellos, or ellas. Ellos is used for masculine gender or for all kinds of general mixed population. Ellos and ellas is used for feminine gender. And in Hindi we say wo sab. Wo sab mean they all. Wo sab. And in the same way we say wo sab in Urdu. Wo sab. So guys, that's all for today's lecture, in which you learned how we use personal pronouns in four different languages. And I hope you enjoyed this lecture very well. So don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Keep practicing, gain hands-on experience by yourself. See you in the next video. Take care. Hasta luego. Adios.